Now it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know, with me and you and my dog Blue, we can do anything that we wanna do. Bye-bye. See you later. I don't know, Blue. I think it's a mockingbird. First, let's draw a rectangle, a smaller rectangle inside of it, and two lines like this. And we have a mirror. So our first clue is a mirror. What do you think Blue's favorite part of bedtime is with a mirror? Maybe that's it. But let's keep an eye out for more clues, just to be sure.